dear students, welcome to the Maths online class. Students, in previous class we solved some problems about the what? Addition of the two digit numbers with regrouping. Okay. So, today's topic is about the what? 3.3 addition of two three digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, here the without regrouping means without carrying simple addition problems are there. Open your textbook page number 25 with the representation of the what? Placements or the positions. We have to represent the positions with respect to their numbers or the digits and solve the problem and write the answer for that. See here, find the sum. Eighth one, 236 plus 462 is there. 236 plus 462 is there. Here 236 is the what? Very good. First addend and plus is the symbol for the addition. 462 is the what? The second addend. We have to find the what? Answer. That means sum for this addition here. So first we have to arrange the numbers with respect to their positions. Okay. So here first one is value for the what? This place for the 236 and second one is for the second addend. We have to represent here with the dots to conclude the what? How the addition process without regrouping addition processes takes place. Okay. 236, 6 is in the what? Placement of the what? Ones. So here we have to represent that number with the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And 3 is in the tens. 1, 2, 3. 2 is in the 100 placement. Okay, this one is first addend is over and comes towards the what? Second addend. 462. 2 is in the ones placement. 6 is in the tens placement. And 4 is in the what? 100 placement. Okay, this is the representation of the positions of the given addends. Then here we have to add the numbers. First we have to start from ones placement only. See, add and count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8. Then in tens placement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write here 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So what's the number name here? 600, 9 tens, 8 ones. That means 698. Here also 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 2 plus 4 is equal to what? 6. The number name is 698. In both cases we have to get the same sum with the representation of the positions and the with the what? Digits. Okay. The next one. Breathe one, 421 plus 356. Here which one is the first addend? Very good. 421. So 1 in the ones placement. 2 is in the tens placement. 4 is in the what? 100 placement. Then in the second addend, so 6 is in the what? Very good. Ones placement. We have to add the digits in the ones placement first. Then 5 is in the what? Tens position. Ones placement after we have to add the numbers in the tens placement. Then 3 is in the 100 position. After the tens position we have to add the numbers in the 100 position. So we get the what? Answer for the given question. Then ones placement. Add the number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Then in tens placement the total number of the dots are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7. Then in the 100 position. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we get the number. Very good. Here also we solve the answer. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So the total sum, the number name is 777. So here 7 represent the hundreds placement. This 7 represent the tens placement. And last one represent the 7 ones placement. 7 hundreds, 7 tens, 7 ones. Then seat 1. 232, 456. We have to add the number. 232. In ones placement, 2 dots. In tens placement, 3 dots. And again 100 position having the what? 2 numbers, so represent with the 2 dots. Then the second addend is 456. Which number is in the what ones placement? 6. So represent the number with the dots 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the tens placement 5. 3, 4, 5. And the 100 placement, very good, 4. Then count all together. All together is a word representation of the what? Addition. All together, in all. These are the word representation of the what? Addition process. So count all together here. On ones position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here 8. Then tens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we solve the answer from the what? Representation of the position. And here direct addition 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. We have to add the numbers mentally, okay? For practice them. Okay, then only we have to write the answer quickly. 688 is the sum for the given addition operation. Then D one, last one, see, number name is 337 is the first addend, 200 is the second addend. So 7 is in the ones placement. 6 and 7. Okay. Then in tens placement, which number is there? 3. Then in 100 placement, again there also 3. Okay. But in the second addend consists of 200. Here the ones and the tens placement having 0 number. 0 means nothing. So leave that places, directly represent the number with a 2. That is 100 placement 2. Here empty places because the 100 and tens and the ones places placement having the 0 in their positions. Then see, add them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here how many dots are there? Nothing. So 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 1, 2, 3, 0. That is 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Which property it is? Very good, 0 property. When any number is added to 0, we get the sum as the number itself. Then 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And the answer is 537. This is the what? The addition of the 3-digit numbers without a regrouping and representation of the what? Placements or the positions. In next class, we discuss some more examples on this topic only. Thank you.